Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge. Today, I'm revealing the blueprint that's created more millionaires than anything else in history. We're breaking down the top 10 industries where people are building real wealth. This isn't theory. These are proven paths used by the world's richest. Pay close attention. One of these could unlock your future. Let's dive in. First up, finance and investments, the industry where money makes more money. From hedge funds to wealth management, this is where billion-dollar deals happen and fortunes are built. Whether you're managing billions or helping everyday people invest, finance is a time-tested path to wealth. If you can handle the pressure, the rewards are massive. Next, technology, the birthplace of modern billionaires. Think Gates, Bezos, Musk. They built empires by solving problems with scalable tech, software, apps, and now AI. Create it once, sell it endlessly. The barrier to entry is low, but the earning potential is limitless. If you have a great idea and the skills, tech is your ticket. Real estate, one of the oldest, most reliable wealth builders. From flipping houses to owning rental properties, land and buildings appreciate and generate cash flow. The real money? Large-scale developments that reshape cities. Whether you start small or go big, real estate offers a concrete path to millions. It's tangible, proven, and always in demand. Healthcare taps into our deepest need, health and longevity. Top doctors and surgeons earn big, but inventors of medical devices and breakthrough drugs can make fortunes. Biotech and pharmaceuticals are billion-dollar industries. You don't have to be a doctor. Innovation is where the real money is. Saving lives and building wealth go hand in hand here. Law and legal services, where expertise is worth millions. High-powered attorneys and law firm partners handle billion-dollar cases and deals. Intellectual property and corporate law are gold mines. It's a tough climb, but the financial rewards are huge. If you can solve complex problems, this path pays off. Entrepreneurship, the ultimate wealth-building mindset. Own the business, own the upside. From tech startups to local services, the principles are the same. Scale your business, build systems, and leverage others' time. It's risky and tough, but the freedom and rewards are unmatched. Entrepreneurs create their own destinies and fortunes. Entertainment and sports, where fame meets fortune. Top actors, musicians, athletes, and influencers earn millions from their talent and audience. The creator economy lets anyone build a brand and monetize it globally. It's ultra-competitive, but the winners become household names and millionaires. If you can capture attention, you can cash in. Manufacturing and industrial services, the backbone of the economy. Owners of factories and niche production businesses quietly build massive wealth. Find a high-demand product, scale production, and secure contracts. You don't need to be famous, just essential. If you can make and deliver what people need, you can build an empire. Consulting. Turn your expertise into a fortune. Top consultants solve big problems for big companies and charge premium rates. Whether at a major firm or on your own, proven knowledge is incredibly valuable. If your advice can move the needle, companies will pay top dollar. E-commerce and digital products. Build a global business from your laptop. Sell physical or digital products online, reach customers worldwide, and automate your income. Dropshipping, private labeling, and online courses are exploding. Create once, sell endlessly. No inventory, just profit. The internet has leveled the playing field for aspiring millionaires. That's 10 industries creating millionaires every day. The opportunities are everywhere. Choose your path and commit. Knowledge is step one. Action is what builds wealth. Which industry excites you most? Drop a comment below, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more ways to build your fortune. See you in the next video.